Hello and welcome. In this section, you will learn about modern JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language that is based on EcmaScript specifications, which is a standard set by European Computer Manufacturers Association, also known as ECMA. So whenever a new feature is added or updated in EcmaScript, that is reflected in JavaScript. The most recent update is known as ES6, which came to effect in 2016. From now on, EcmaScript will be adding or updating new features to the language on yearly basis. So you will see ES7 in 2017 or ES8 on 2018 and so on. But there will be minor changes. The major changes were made into ES6. So what is changed in ES6? Quite a lot. It has made JavaScript a much better language to work with. We will begin by learning the new features added by ES6 as well as comparing them to the old ways of doing things so that we know the difference and get in-depth understanding of JavaScript. Understanding ES6 is one of the most important things to learn and understand React. In React, you will be writing plain JavaScript along with new features added by ES6. So learning React is like learning JavaScript. Let's say modern JavaScript. Getting better at React means getting better at JavaScript. So let's begin by learning modern JavaScript from the very next lesson.